everyone, today me and my dad together are going to make strawberries. Let's start. First, draw a curve like this. Then down here, draw something like this. Now from here, connect it to this side. Now draw a curve, and from that curve, connect it like that. Now from here, draw another thing. And another one here. Up here, draw a line and point the edge and then a curve like that. Oops. Then draw another one. Now another curve and another one like that. Another one here. Make circles. Dots actually. But if you already make circles, you can color in. Okay, now let's color. We'll color the leaves green and the strawberries red. This color ran out, I'll use another one. This is just like orange, but yellow, red, but it's orange added a little. Alright, I'm done. So I want green. Take my green. If this is dark green, I need my light green. Found it. Now I'm going to color a little bit of the top. Green. Because I've seen strawberries and on the top they're green. Now I'll need my dark green. Look at the ink, it looks like dark black. But it's actually green. If you like, if you make your strawberry small, right here you can add one, and another one, add two, and another one, you can draw your age. Wait a minute. Since I have a little bit time, I'll do something. There. This is Krisha to eat. So, I better cut it and give one slice to my brother. Alright, it's cut it now. I'll just give it to my brother. But I will still be on the paper. Come here, brother. Here, catch. Have the other slice. Now, bye.